How do you move an image around on Google Docs? Well, I have this sample image and I can just click and drag. However, it doesn't move the image at all. So if you want to move an image, you must apply a text wrap setting to that image. So if you actually click on the image like this will open the new toolbar at the bottom of the image, and you can select the text wrapping effect for this image. There are a few options, but the one that I personally like the most is this option that's called wrap text. And this basically will ensure that when you click on the image and you move it around, the text surrounding it will basically find another area to be placed in. Basically, it will make sure that the image and the text would stay visible. Let me give you an example. So as you can see here, the text is automatically occupy this right area that used to be empty, and if you move the image around like this, the text will automatically adapt and find a new empty area that it can tag. So basically, this is a great way to make sure that you maximize the paper or document efficiency and you make everything as compact as possible. So that was the text wrap setting, and I think that's the best wrap text setting for this image. But of course, there are many other options. You can try this if you want to. You can try behind text, which is probably not the greatest. You can also try in front text. It could be something that you want to use. It is possible. And you might also want to keep it empty. You want to give some empty area for the image, or you want to put another image for this area. It is also possible. So yeah, that's basically how you can move an image in Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.